Alright, so what I have here is this little USB 2.0 high-speed hub, and I'm going to convert it to make it work on my as a charger for my kids. So we got LEDs that'll light up when the switches are on, and I do want the switches to work so that my circuits aren't just sitting there heating up all the time. So I gotta figure out, I figured it'd be really easy to pop it open. It is. I don't have any intention on keeping the base on there, so just pop this open. Now you're supposed to be able to hook up a 12-volt DC jack as a power hub, but I've been told that it doesn't put out much, which I wouldn't assume it was going to put out much anyways, considering it was a $5 device. But what I want to do is make it so each port has about 1.5 amps of charging capability. It looks like all the LEDs are on the board. And these chips are for data. It looks like all the USBs are connected there. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to utilize this thing. I might just take the board off. Oh, there we go. Alright, perfect. So I might just burn off all these connections and just use the board. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. Definitely take the USB cord off, so I'm not going to be using that. I don't see these wires being able to handle 1.5 amps, so this, I'm basically just going to use the board for connecting power to them. The design of this should work just fine. Might as well take this off, so I'm not going to use this. Definitely don't need that. Save that for a project. Probably use it for another camera or something. But I think this will actually look pretty decent. Looks like there is an LED. There are LEDs here. I don't know if I'm going to actually utilize the LEDs. I mean, I could, but do I really need to? I mean, I guess if I put a resistor in line each one, connect to ground, I can. Probably just cut off the chips, pull the chips off. They'll disconnect them from each other. Yeah, and I could probably get away with, because all I'm doing is going to be connecting the outside, the ground and the hot on each one. So I'll run a ground to each one. And then I was going to use 7805 linear regulators, which I have recently just got a handful of them in. I'm going to need to get some more, I think. I don't think I have enough. I do have a bunch of 10 microfarad caps, which I don't think I need those. I do, I need one on each side, on the positive and the ground. So I think what I'll do is this will sit in here. I think I'll just mount this on top of a box, and then inside that box I'll connect make all my connections. So I was going to use LM 7805's linear regulators, and then I don't know if I even need the switches. It's not drawing any current, it's not going to hurt anything to have the switches on or off. It looks like these are 3 amp switches at 250, so what I'm doing with them will be perfectly fine. Yeah, I think this will be a worthwhile project. This sits in here pretty clean. Each one of them pops in place. Just takes a little finagling to get them in there, I guess. But I think this will look good. And I'll probably just glue this base down so it doesn't move. Then I'll get a box and mount it to a box. The LEDs, maybe I'll power them up just to make them all light up. So just run a resistor on each one. Just have a 5-volt signal coming off one of these ports. And then I could hook up a ground to each one and make it so when the switch is turned on. But I don't think I really need all that. Kids will end up plugging it in and it's not going to work anyways. There's a lot of switches though. I could probably use these switches in another project. So maybe I'll remove all these switches and use them for something else. Really all they need is those connections right there. If I remove all these switches, might have enough room for my circuitry underneath here. I don't know if I even need the LEDs. I think it would look nice though with all the lights lit up. So we'll see what I can do with this thing.